Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Hayden back again with another reaction video, and this one's going to be a little different. This one's going to be surprising my dad with his dream truck, but before we get into it, are you smiling? Okay, good. So yeah, this one's going to be a little different. Surprise my dad with his dream truck. I'm sure that's most people's dreams, surprising their parents with something they've always wanted. But before we get into this, I would really appreciate if you guys subscribed. We're on the road to 50 subscribers. I think we're at 18 subs right now, which is absolutely insane. I know it's not a huge number, but to me, it's huge. So I appreciate all the love, you guys. I really do. I upload 2 to 3 reaction videos daily. Spiritual videos, workout videos, and how to better yourself videos are coming soon. Those are going to be uploaded every day as well. And yeah, so go ahead, drop a like on this video if you enjoy. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys want to see me watch. Drop a comment how the video is, all that good stuff. But yeah, I would really appreciate that, guys. All right, let's jump right into it. Also, follow my Instagram up there if you want to. I'm definitely going to skip because this is 20 minutes and there's no way that's actually the good part. This looks like right.
Longer in LA. I know. I'm no longer in LA. I'm here with everyone. They're helping me like wash the car and just like get it. We tried washing it, but didn't turn out so well. So they're just doing a little some magic on it. So we bought a bow that we're gonna put on top of the car when we surprise my dad. I tried finding like confetti popper thingers, but they didn't have any. Me buying gender reveal ones. These are gonna have to do. It's the
Let me see. Louie's Life, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this is dope though. I'm already dropping a like, so it's what he did.
That counts, don't we? If he doesn't llena gusto. Okay guys, so we're about to get my parents.
Oh, here we go. This is where it starts right here.
No se huelen papalotes.
Pero esta me la pagas, Luisito.
¿Te la pago con cheque o cash?
Te voy a amarrar hasta de las patas a ti.
Louis Vuitton bag, okay.
Say hi, everyone. He's about to be here. He's like 2 minutes away. Oh my god. Okay, brother just texted me. He said, we're here. We're going to be popping the gender reveal bolitas because it's a boy.
Oh, it's all the way up.
Look, everybody said, I'm so excited.
Nomás no se me marien.
No, ya, no puedo estar menos mareada.
Ay, di. Ya se acabó el mundo ya. Todos a dormir.
¿Qué hiciste, don Luis?
Here we go. Now it starts. Okay, here we go. Yeah, this can be sick. Is that he's wearing a Ferrari hat? Okay, I like the pink hair. I'm assuming he's speaking Spanish. Damn, that's a badass Range Rover though.
Pero dejen los ojos cerrados, ¿ok?
Oh, that's a nice truck.
Déjalos cerrados. ¿Están cerrados? Cerrados. Tú también, Louie. Cerrados.
Ay, güey.
Espérate. 1, 2, 3. Ábralos. Surprise, Dad!
That's so badass.
Te dije que no.
Te compré tu car, Louie. New car, Louie. New car. New car. New car, nuevo.
New car!
The fuck? Oh my god. Why is it buffering? My internet's so bad.
Sí quería carro.
That's so sick. Hope I can do this one day. Holy fuck, really? Dude, my internet's been acting like shit the last couple days. I really gotta watch this in 480p? That's depressing. You've gotta be fucking kidding me. Dude, I'm gonna lose my fucking mind. There's no way my internet's that dog shit. Absolutely no way. That's so fucking depressing. Oh, here we go.
Oh my goodness.
sick. This is a dope truck.
Wow, Louie.
He looks like a hard worker. I can just tell off his looks.
Creo que no le gusta. ¿Qué piensas?
Porque sí. Mami, montate del otro lado.
Nah.
Nada, tú no sabías nada. Qué bonito.
Yo no la creo.
Enséñale los papeles. Luisito hizo todo.
Tenemos que hacer otra cosa. Tenemos otras prioridades.
No, es una prioridad.
Pues ya sé que el año pasado no se pudo. Pero desde esa vez me puse a ahorrar. Ya te la pagué toda. No tienes biles, no tienes.
No, ¿sí?
Nueva, 0 millas 2020 Chevrolet. Aquí ya no maneja la de 30 años, ¿no?
Pues sí, cómo no.
Yeah, that's kind of legendary of Louie's life to be able to do. Like, he's in a position where he can do that for his dad.
Tiene Wi-Fi,
That's
tiene
dope.
cámara de reversa.
¿Qué año es?
2020. Nomás tiene las millas que usé para traerla aquí. Oh, y de atrás se abre con control. Ni la tienes que bajar, le pachuras botones.
Dude, bro, if you guys live in Texas, you probably feel my pain. Holy fuck. Internet is so annoying here,
It's
bro.
8-cylinder.
I mean, holy fuck. It is so fucking annoying. I'm not even trying to be like ungrateful or anything, but like my internet's not even bad. It's just the summer, so I'm assuming the sun fucks it up. Dude, I'm literally watching it 480p. Like, I gotta go down to 360.
¿Cómo se dice?
Sí.
Una VA.
Okay.
Pero yo la
Bien
calé.
bonita y bien amplia.
Yo la
Dude, this is fucking horrible.
manejé. A nosotros nos gustó mucho. Fuimos a ver muchas, pero fue la que nos gustó más.
Queme la llanta.
Ahora sí tiene carro nuevo. Mira, también.
Yeah, this is sick that he's able to do that. That's actually dope. I need to subscribe to him. I didn't even know who this guy was.
No más le pegas.
And he seems like a dope
Que ya me están
guy, dope
abandonando.
YouTuber.
Qué bonito, la compré y me quedo yo afuera. Good night. I'll follow you guys. My friends.
Yeah, that's definitely the end. He's just gonna wrap up his vlog. Yeah, that's sick. I'm definitely subbing. That's completely sick. Hopefully I can do that one day with your guys' help. You know, drop a sub, drop a like. No, I'm just playing. But, I mean, kind of. It's up to you guys. Nah, but for real though, drop a like on the video if you guys enjoyed. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys want to see me react to. This was #1 on trending. I didn't even notice that. I did not even notice that till I just now looked. So, yeah, all that good stuff. I'm on the road to 50 subs. We're at 18 right now, I believe. Just started a few days ago, which is crazy progress for me. In my opinion, that's crazy. I'm going to be pushing out content, reaction videos, 2 to 3 a day minimum, every single day. Spiritual videos every day. How to better yourself videos every day. The fuck? Just got a random fucking call. All that good voice crack, all that good stuff. Workout videos coming soon, all that good stuff. All that good stuff. 69, haha. Just kidding. That's not even funny. Alright, before I wrap this up though, or as I'm wrapping this up, I just want to say always remember to be yourself. Don't try to be somebody you're not. And thank you guys for watching. It really means a lot. And yeah, love you guys.